Okay, so yesterday I tore apart my transmission to replace the 3 shift solenoids. I got them replaced, got everything back together, and go to start the car, put it in reverse to take it off the ramps, and it drove forward. Reverse, neutral, all the gears drove forward. So, naturally, I was pissed, especially since my hair is saturated with transmission fluid. So, here's the problem. Got my pan back off. And there's the inside of my transmission. You got the filter, and then all these little wires goes to the shift solenoid. So I had to take down the entire valve body, which is the gearbox, and all these little tubes just to get to the solenoids. So when I put it back together, I was not paying attention. But that thing is supposed to be in that little notch. That is the shift pattern valve. So of course when I put it in reverse and neutral, it drives forward because it's not pulling this thing out. It's supposed to extend. So now I've got to take this off, extend it, put it on that knob, and then put it all back together and refill it. And there's all my transmission fluid I just filled up yesterday. Yay.